to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Your Vyroko channel. Hey guys, you're welcome, you're welcome. You're welcome to my home, you're welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to be sharing an Italian dessert with you that is called Salami cioccolato, right guys? So these are the ingredients I'm going to be needing for this recipe. This recipe under 15 minutes is ready. It doesn't really take much time and it's so good to entertain your visitors, and it's really very easy to prepare. So this recipe will be needing biscuits, any biscuit of your choice, right? You can double the recipe. Normally you use 200 grams. That's the grams for each recipe, but I doubled this. So here I have my 400 grams. 400 grams of biscuit, 400 grams of 100% chocolate. Yes, I measured it. So this is the chocolate, the packet of the chocolate. Okay, I brought it out of the fridge, so that is why it's like this, because if I leave it hard it will take too much time. So this definitely is going back inside the fridge, just to show you guys. You'll be needing some milk. Here I have my rice milk. This recipe is also good for vegans, anybody that does not support the normal milk. That is why I'm using the rice milk, because somebody is allergic to milk. Okay, so here I have oil. Here I have my sunflower oil, but you can use your rice oil if you have, but here I'm using sunflower oil. This is 60 grams of oil, 60 grams of oil, 120 grams of rice milk, any milk of your choice guys. Okay, cacao powder, and here we have our icing sugar. Okay, that's what we'll be using at the end. So we will need to put the chocolate inside. What we will need to melt the chocolate. So we're going to be putting it inside a pot, and the pot I'm going to kind of steam it, right? So I'm going to put my chocolate inside this cup now. Okay, I'm going to put some hot water in here. So guys, you put some hot water. If you don't have hot water, you can just directly put cold water, and then you wait for it to boil. Okay, because we are going to be melting the chocolate, just not too much water. Okay, we are okay with that. This is the chocolate. Okay, we put it here to steam so that we can melt it. Meanwhile, we are going to be needing this to break the biscuits, right? Let me show you guys. I'm going to put the biscuits, any nylon of your choice. I don't have the ziplock, it's finished. So what I did is I doubled this nylon. I put some biscuits inside, and what you guys are going to do is to just break it. So you're just going to see. Okay, so we're going to break it. So I'm going to be breaking all the biscuits like so. I'm going to break it in a ziplock bag or something like this. I doubled my nylon. When I finish breaking it, I'm going to pour it inside the bowl. As you can see, we are melting it off. Okay, I'm going to switch it off. So guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the biscuits in here, and I'll break them bit by bit, and I'll pour it into my bowl. Okay, of course I forgot something. You'll be needing your parchment paper, because this is what we are going to use to wrap our dessert. and then we put it in the fridge or freezer. If you know you are in a hurry, you can put it in your freezer for like 2 hours, or in your fridge for like 4 hours, or overnight. Okay, so guys, this is the first batch. You see, you just crumble it and set it aside. So we continue breaking till we finish breaking them, guys. Okay, this is the second batch. So this is it. I finished breaking them. If you guys find out that you are not satisfied with, you can also, you know, use your hands to break a bit. Okay, so guys, we are good to go. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to be warming the milk a little bit in the microwave, and then I'll be mixing it with the oil. Okay, and then I pour it inside the chocolate. So this is the chocolate. I've warmed the milk. Make sure it is it must not be too hot for your fingers. You test it with your finger. We're now going to add the oil. Mix it together with the milk. Then we're going to add it to the mixture of the chocolate. Okay, mix it properly. So what we are going to do now is we're now going to add it to the mixture of the biscuits. We're now going to add everything together. Hey there, if today is the first time you're coming across this channel, on this channel I normally share my homemade recipes. If you love what I do on my channel, do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell. That way you see whenever I upload my videos. For those of you that keep coming back to watch my videos, thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for all the time. If you have any comments on this video or any of my videos, please leave your comments below. What you do now is you keep mixing, right? So in order to make it compact together, because we're going to be mixing it, you're going to add your cacao. Yes, add some cacao inside. This is a tablespoon of cacao. I don't know if I mentioned it. So I'm mixing it inside. Okay. So guys, when you finish mixing it like this, we're going to set it aside for now. It's going to be in a cylinder form. That is why we call it salami. Salami is a kind of meat that is sold here in Italy. So this one, we are going to wet it and squeeze out water. Then I'm going to pour it inside. I'm going to wet with some water now. I don't know if you guys can see me. Okay. You pass it through water. Yes. And then you squeeze out excess water. Guys, make sure you squeeze it well. Okay. So now, this is the parchment paper. Okay. What we're going to do now, we're going now to spread this on top of here, and we're going to try and shaping it. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving the list of the ingredients for you guys in the description box. We're going to roll it up and we'll leave it in our fridge 2 to 4 hours. If you know you don't have the time to wait, you can put it in your freezer. Yes, for like 2 hours in your freezer, and then it will be ready. We're going to roll it up now, guys. Yes, I'm going to roll it up. We have to be careful, like here it's kind of torn, so we have to be careful to roll it up. Okay, okay, like so. Tie the ends, make sure it's tight. I'm going to get another parchment paper to wrap it up. Okay. I'm going to form it as if it's sweet. So after we put it in the fridge for some hours, when it's ready, that is when we are going to put the icing sugar on it. So now I'm going to be putting it in the fridge. So I'll be back, guys, to show you guys the end result. guys, I have just brought it out of the, I actually put it in the freezer because somebody in my family really wants to eat, and so I put it in the freezer before going to work. I'm back from work and now I brought it out. So this is it, guys. So guys, this is what you do. You put it in your sifter and then just dust it all around with icing sugar. Okay guys, we are good to go. So you can dust off excess. We're going to be slicing it. Guys, so that is it. This is the outcome. This is so good, guys, to entertain your visitors. You see, guys, how it is. I have finished with the amazing recipe. I'm going to be leaving the ingredients below. Please give it a trial. Let me know in the comment section if there's anything you don't understand. It's so easy, guys. This is so delicious. Give it a trial. It is amazing. It is delicious, so easy to prepare. Okay, I've come to the end of another episode of my recipe. There's nothing like what you prepare at home. You know what you are eating, guys. Try as much as possible to prepare more things at home. Till I come your way again from Vyroko channel, remain blessed. Till I see you again, for now it's bye. Thank you. Thank you.